Good evening, students. Today we are going to learn how to draw a circle. So before I start my topic, I'll tell you few things that there are in QBasic there are two types of screen. Number one is called text screen, on which we can only write. The second is graphic screen. So we can write and draw figures. Now this graphic screen is divided into two parts. One is called medium resolution, and another one is called medium resolution. So the before medium resolution screen is having the resolution of 320 comma 200. So 200 here, 320 are the rows and 200 are the columns. 320 means 0 to 319 and 0 to 199. So the B part is high resolution screens. So there are two types of screens: high resolutions and medium resolution graphic screen. Whenever we start working with the graphics, one important command that we must remember is screen. It will change the screen type of screen from the text to the graphic screen. Screen and the number. Here I'll say n. N is number. So today's the program is to draw a circle. So the syntax to draw a circle is circle x comma y. These are the coordinates comma r comma c. Here r is the radius and c is the color. So this is the syntax. So my dear students, when you start working with to draw a circle, the first command is always cls. Now we have to write the screen 7. It's a medium resolution screen. Now the next one is I'm writing print. As I have told you that we can write and draw on graphic screens. So print, this is a circle. Now the center point of the screen is 160 comma 100. This is the center of the screen. 50 is the radius and 2 is the color. And now copy this program from CLS to end. Right click, copy, click on QBasic, right click and paste. Now to run this program, function key F5. see a circle. We have written it over there. Now, if we'll take a high resolution screen, what will happen? Let's see. We'll take a high resolution screen, and the high resolution screen is screen 2. Screen 2. Function key F5. You can see there's a problem. Again, the size of a screen has been changed. The color, it's not supporting the color also. 2, it's not supporting the color. So, because screen 2 color supports only 2 colors, and screen 7 supports 16 colors. Let's see if we'll write screen 8. Look at the size of the screen, because it's 0 to 640, 0 to 639, and over here 0 to 199. So this is at the not at the center, it's from at the corner. The center will be here. Students, I think you understand this project. So dear students, this is the program, this is the coding. If you feel any kind of problem, you can ask me. Dear students, prepare well, give your best, and do your best. May God bless you a lot. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.